Alrighty, welcome to another unboxing video for Retro Game Treasure unboxing. If you want the subscription, I'll put the link of it in the description below. 1 month, there's 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. The other thing I found out the hard way was you'd have to put your currencies in from USD to your own country's currency, like the whole calculating it and everything. Okay, they have all kinds of systems except PS5, I think 2DS and 3DS, and Switch and Wii U. I think they added the PS4 and Xbox 360 and Xbox One. What else? So I put notes. There's checkboxes in it too if you wanted to do it. The types of games and themes, like racing, strategy, sports, and adventures. Then you have your own little checkbox of how many you have, so you don't get duplicates. And I think that's it. Yeah, I think so. I chose Gameboy and PSOne. That's what we're gonna get out of here. It's a mystery box. I don't even know what's in it. So I'll get to it now. Obviously grab this. Is there anything in it? Nope. Whoa. Let's see. The first game. Oh, Frogger. Cool. I always loved that as a kid. So I want to enjoy that game. Then you have Jeopardy and the other one behind it. Cool. Let's see the next game. He's back, Frogger. What's this? Oh, heck yeah, is it golf? Oh, I'm gonna enjoy that one. I don't know if you could even see it. Then there's other games in it. Not other games, but, well, other games, just not ones I have. Wait, is it? Thought pinball was in it. Cool. 2 fun ones. Any more? Don't know why you got that one, though. This thing. Oh, what? Pac-Man. Nice. I'm going to be busy this week. Nice. What's the inside? Oh. Yeah, the thing came off. I'll fix that in a minute. Game's good, though. Yeah, I'll fix that later. After the video. Oh, nice. Another fun one. Nemo. Cool. Well, I didn't fix it, but got the case on. So here, wait. Since it's already almost done the video. There. The 4 games I got. That's awesome. I actually like that. 3 PSOne games and a Gameboy game. Like, subscribe, and a bell if you enjoyed the video, and you'll be notified for when these games come out. Oh. Oh, okay, it's Frogger, not the Pac-Man. Cool. And hope you be safe, and see ya.